Hey, ¿qué pasa? Español dos. It is I, Señor Perez, and you are here at our mandatory Monday Zoom. Let's do this. So, assignments for the week. The first thing you need to know, our screencast links will be here. They will be in the form of YouTube videos. Come check them out. You got 3 warm-ups for Monday, Wednesday, and now Thursday because we have this early week. I just found out about this a few days ago. We have spring break starting on Friday. That'll be awesome. So here's some review from last week. Create 3 sentences using subjunctive of doubt. So yo dudo que, no creo que, etc. And then 3 sentences that are the opposite of those sentences. So using expressions of certainty. That's like these ones from your weirdo sheet. To not doubt. It is certain. It is not doubtful. It is evident, etc. Okay. Wednesday, we're going to watch vlog number 1 as a class. This is a vlog that I was working on yesterday during my free time. It is hopefully going to be fun, a good time. I think it will be. It's just a goofy video that I wanted to make, just to keep everyone's spirits high, I guess you could say. But I'm excited to show you guys. Then you're going to tell me your opinions of the vlog using the preterite. There's no limit to how many sentences. There's also no minimum. Just tell me what you thought of it, honestly, and using the preterite, and don't use Google Translate. If you want to use the future, like I would like to say, if you'd like to say I would like to see, you can use the expression me gustaría ver. We haven't learned this. You'll learn this later in Spanish 4, I believe. But that means I would like to see. So now you don't have to use Google Translate. Haha. Thursday, using the Spanish dictionary app word of the day, write an example sentence while using the subjunctive. This is impossible because the Spanish dictionary word of the day wouldn't work with the subjunctive. This can happen. Then just use a vocabulary word from our chapter with the subjunctive, and then write like the Spanish dictionary word of the day with its English definition above it. So let's do activity 1. Let's see what that's about. We are going to do a Zoom activity with activity 1. So you and your partner, you're going to make a partner or find a partner. This person must be from our class. Use the prompts attached below. So I have this activity 1 prompt down here, and you're going to create a video of your conversation using the Zoom app. It's a super easy way to do that. You're going to click on the Zoom app. You're going to create your meeting. I hope you can still see me. There's probably 2 of me now. I haven't tried this yet. Join a computer auto. Yep. And then see this button right here, the record button. You're going to meet up with your partner and then click record, and it's going to create a video for you. What's happening? There we go. You're going to create a video with your partner that's going to be recorded by the Zoom app, and then you're going to upload that to your Google Drive and share it with me. Okay? If this is too difficult for you, which I don't imagine it being too difficult because I just showed you how to do it, then try screen recording a FaceTime between you and your partner. That also works. As long as you're doing what I've asked you to do, which is the activity 1 prompt. Let's take a look at that. Okay, this is it. It is attached below the week's warm-ups. So you and your partner are going to answer complete sentences. This is graded. If you'd like to send it to me early so I can give you feedback and advice, then I can do that for you. You're going to ask your partner the following questions, and then you're going to switch. Then partner 2 will ask the following questions to partner 1. Partner 1 asks the following questions to partner 2. It's 4 questions each. Some of them I need you to use the subjunctive, and then other ones can be any form of the preterite. Okay, let's move on to this week's lesson, which, since you guys know how to use the subjunctive, this is pretty easy. We are using conjunctions, so we have maybe seen these before. I don't think so. I'm going to post these notes in your on your class tile so that you guys can look back and see these. It's really about memorizing what they mean and then practicing using them in the assignment number 2 for this week. So conjunctions are connecting the words and clauses and sentences, so it's to help it make sense. So vamos a visitar a Carlos antes de que regrese a California. So the main clause, we're going to visit Carlos. This is in the present indicative. Vamos a visitar. And then antes de que, which means before he returns to California. So then you have that subjunctive verb right there. With certain conjunctions, the subjunctive is used to express a hypothetical situation. So there's some uncertainty as to whether an action will take place. So that uncertainty indicates that you're going to be using the subjunctive. So let's look at this present tense main clauses. Voy al supermercado. I'll go to the supermarket. Para que tengas. So that. Algo de comer. So that you'll have something to eat. So you'll recognize a pattern here. These all have uncertainty, like unless, provided that, in case, so that. So you see these conjunctions that connect main clauses and then the adverbial clauses that all indicate a little bit of doubt. And then this is the conjunctions with subjunctive or indicative. So conjunctions that can be used with subjunctive or indicative really depend on if the main clause expresses a future act or command. So you're using the subjunctive if it's talking about the future because that is uncertain. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow or next week. So look at this example. We are going to solve the problem when the technology develops. After you drink your soft drinks, then you will recycle the bottles. So look at, vamos a resolver el problema cuando desarrollemos, there's that subjunctive, nuevas tecnologías. So cuando, when, después de que, after. These are expressions that can be used with the subjunctive or indicative depending on if the main expression expresses future, you'll use the subjunctive. And then if the main clause expresses an action that is a habit or that habitually happens or that has happened already in the past. So this is when you'll see some preterite being used. That's when you use the regular tense indicative form. So they pollute the river.